Take a hop in, seatbelts first, no excuses, sign this waiver, cause I'm not liable for bumps and bruises, broken bones and concussions, plus I'm in a rush myself. There's a way that seems right to man, but the end thereof are the ways of death. I didn't need to want no help, I could do it myself, very powerful. No love, no forgiveness, all to rival, survival of the fittest. Shootouts in broad day, the wicked shall be turned into hell, and all the nations that forget God. No Disney Pixar, I'm talking 3 grizzlies of fish raw. No spit, y'all can't talk, but on a mission. Hopeless to broke, always focused on dope, but can't cope. This is 24/8. I trust a 24Ks. Easy peasy, feeling greasy. STD, no easy E, please. If you're riding with me, we gon' need some G's and P's. Please buckle your seats.
You better buckle up if you wanna take a ride of my life. You better buckle up, cause it's gonna be a bumpy ride. You better buckle up if you wanna take a ride of my life. You better buckle up, cause it's gonna be a bumpy ride.
I-95 cruising, using and abusing alcohol. Do I care? Not at all. Hangovers, I use Tylenol. Wrongs for nothing. I'm drunk, too much consumption. Catch me in a Jeep, beat bumping like I'm deaf in both ears. Now the Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? I'm geared up like 50 guns and 50 tons of TNT, but I ain't armed. I'm strong like 10 people. Diesel like Crane. Always thought I was the head of the game. His mouth is full of cursing and deceit and fraud. Under his tongue, it's mischief and vanity. Examine me and get 2 black eyes for nothing. If I catch you frontin' like gold teeth from a beast, get your arm sleeve ripped off your white teeth from some beef in the street. I'm scared of what I can do, so I'm baby Jesus, what about you? Seatbelts first, I don't wanna hear no excuses from you, already told you.
You better buckle up if you wanna take a ride of my life. You better buckle up, cause it's gonna be a bumpy ride. You better buckle up if you wanna take a ride of my life. You better buckle up, cause it's gonna be a bumpy ride.
My life has been rough, it's been tough, but I just started. After my sister's daily departure, I turned to drugs and alcohol, but God saved me with a lighter and a can of Lysol. My plate was wiped off, but I still got problems. Still buckled up, but God driving this time. I'm not worried about surviving, ain't lying. Trust the provider, those chains are broken off my soul, God chose me. Yeah, I'm a survivor of life. I could've gave up, but I was buckled up nice by Christ. Prison twice, juvenile life, they stacked the dice against me. All I want you to know is God is not the enemy. My friend Jesus is a friend indeed, but please, still buckle up your seats, these streets is crazy. It's gonna be a bumpy ride, it's your choice, you decide who drives in your own lives. Buckle up.
You better buckle up if you wanna take a ride of my life. You better buckle up, cause it's gonna be a bumpy ride. You better buckle up if you wanna take a ride of my life. You better buckle up, cause it's gonna be a bumpy ride.